Welcome back, viewers. This is Ijaz Khan to talk on banking, and its customer. Friends, in last class, in last video, I have explained the general concepts of bank and customer. Right? Today, I'll focus. It's my conclusive video of banking, and its customer. Okay. Let's begin once again with the bank, so that I can clearly explain you banking and customer. Okay, when I write this word BANK, bank, what comes in your mind? If you ask the same question to me, there are a lot of banking jargons coming into my mind. I want to share with you, and those things are nothing but the services of the bank. Okay, first, when I heard bank, it is nothing but the savings of money. I can safely park my money with the bank or banker. First of all, for me, bank is a financial institution. For me, I consider bank is a financial institution because bank deals with the money, monetary transaction, accepting the deposit and lending the same deposit to the needy customer. And I explained you what is this one, the definition of a customer. Who called customer? Every persons are not customer, right? When I heard this, when I read this, when I write this word called BANK, bank, I this one feel in my mind there were words like finance. The first thing comes in my mind is finance or financial institution, What else? Words, things, steps, jargons coming into your mind. You just think out. And I want to make you to understand the banking and customer, my friends. When I heard bank, one is financial institution, then opening of account will get passbook. Okay, passbook is related to bank, passbook. Okay, once we open our bank account with any of the banker, so we deposit our money. So slip book is also very important. Slip book or slip paper you will get from the bank. Okay, I usually go to bank, take my slip book, accordingly I deposit and withdraw my cash from my bank account. So see, passbook, slip book, you will get checkbook. See, checkbook. See, if you talk check, there are types of check. See, we have open check. Okay, bearer check. Open check, bearer check. Then close check or cross check. It is also known as cross check. Don't worry, I will explain you each and every point what I am contributing on board. I'll explain you. Don't worry at all. See, open check, bearer check, close check. Okay, things coming into my mind. Then predated check. Predated check, then post-dated check, steel or crushed check, mutilated check, traveler's check. See, traveler's check. So many this one. Traveler's check even internationally, all hotels can accept. Then what else coming into my mind? Okay, then savings bank account, SB account is coming into my mind. Then current account is coming. Then FD account, fixed deposit account, fixed deposit account, then RD account, recurring deposit account. See, these are four major and very important accounts: savings bank account, current account, fixed deposit account, recurring deposit account. So these are the accounts coming into my mind. Then ATM stands for automated teller machine. Automated teller machine. It is not automatic. It is not always. It is automated teller machine. See, automated teller machine is coming. 24/7 banking. 24/7 banking is coming into my mind when I heard this bank. See, from bank, so many this one banking jargons I am writing on board. This is nothing but a services I am writing. What the today's banker or banking provide to their customer. See, the customers, savings bank account holders are the customers of a bank. Current account holder, fixed deposit account holder, recurring deposit account holder. Then after becoming a customer, savings, current account, fixed deposit, recurring, they take a loan. We have loan or advances. Loans and advances. If I talk on loan, there are two types of loan: secured loan, unsecured loan. Unsecured loan. Again, short-term loan, short-term loan, medium-term loan, and long-term loan. See, again there are three types of loan segregated: short-term loan, medium-term loan, long-term loan, secured loan, unsecured loan. Then the plastic money. What is plastic money? We'll get two more question. Plastic money means what? Your cards, ATM card. Which card? Debit card. Which card? Debit card. Debit card. Credit card. Platinum card. See, gold card, silver card, aviation card. See, gold card, silver card, aviation card. Then retail card, petrol card. Petrol means petrol card. There are so many cards. See, what do you mean by card? Explain the types of cards. There is a question for you guys, for banking and operations students. There are types of card. Cards are nothing but the plastic money. Plastic money means card. We have debit card, we have credit card, we have platinum card, we have gold card, we have silver card, we have petrol card, we have aviation card. We have domestic card, we have international card. Okay, card may be your Visa card may be Visa card. Okay, MasterCard, Visa card, MasterCard, or RuPay card. RuPay card belongs to India and America. So earlier there were American company Visa and Master control entire money. This was plastic money. Now India has its own RuPay card. Now today's banker issuing a RuPay card. So it's a master company in finance, okay, linked with the banking system and the plastic money heads. So this is what jargons coming into my mind. See, the bank. Three words I want to explain you. Banking. Banking means what? Banking means services. Banking is services provided by the bank. See the following services. There are further so many services. We have even a demand draft, DD called demand draft, DD. Checkbook is a service, demand draft is a service, passbook is a service, slipbook is a service, checkbook is a service. Even the types of check, Very important question, my friends. Types of check: open check, closed check, open check, bearer check, closed check, cross check, pre-dated check, post-dated check, steel check, cash check, mutual-aided check, traveler check. There's so many questions here. The loans, types of loans: secured loan, unsecured loan, short-term loan, medium-term loan, long-term loan. Okay, plastic money. So many. This one question: types of cards of the companies. See, Visa, Master, RuPay. See, so many questions. And ATM 24/7 banking. Even some of the banks provide even services on Sundays, holidays. This is what the service. Bank is a service. Bank provides service or services. Satisfaction of customers. Bank is one of the service. It comes under service sector, providing valuable services. Bank plays very important and crucial role in the development. For example, employees, they are getting salary by their accounts. So organization directly, this one, crediting the money from bank main account to employees account. See the salary they are receiving, right? And the payment of one organization to another organization. Import, import procedure. Import bank, export bank. See, import bank and export bank, how they are playing important role in the settlement of the transaction. Buying and selling of goods internationally. How the banking plays very important and crucial role in the development of a particular nation and contribution towards the GDP, gross domestic product, and supply of money in the economy. How to control inflation and deflation in this one country. Purchasing power parity is also very important. Inflation, deflation. See, these are the words. Inflation, deflation, PPP, purchasing power parity of an individual of a country, citizens. See, outsiders, they are buying the securities, okay, in between the share market without having your bank account. Even though share market is meaningless, because share market requires your savings bank account. These are the accounts, very important. What do you mean by account? Explain the types of major accounts provided by almost all banks. See, savings bank account, current account, fixed deposit account, and recurring deposit account. Right? So this is what 4 accounts. Saving bank account is account which is meant to promote the saving habit of an individual of the country. This account is meant to promote the saving habit, and this account will be paid interest to their account holders. And this account is meant to promote for the business purpose. All business accounts here you could find in current account. So business account cannot be opened savings bank account. Business account can be opened current account. Likewise, fixed deposit account. If you have lump sum money and you want to gain an interest, you can park your money with the bank and get your fixed interest, fixed deposit. If you don't have enough surplus fund, fixed money, you go with a recurring small plenty amount. You can save monthly basis and achieve your vision, whatever dreams, whatever objective you have. Okay, construction of a building, education of your son or daughter, or this one, marriage of your son and daughter. You prefer this fixed deposit and recurring deposit account. It is meant to promote for that. This is meant to promote for the business purpose. Current account is business purpose, and SB account. There are so many banks, my friends. Private banks, public banks, even though Indian banks. Indian banks are those banks which are registered under Indian law. Foreign banks are those banks which are registered under their foreign law and having their subsidiary unit in India, right? Providing valuable services. Axis Bank, right? One of the bank, right? So we have our State Bank of India, government bank. Canara Bank is a government bank. Vijay Bank is a government bank. ICICI Bank is our Indian bank. There are so many private banks converted to public banks, and number of banks merged together because of some disturbance in the economy. Right? This is what entire banking. See, my friends, I want to explain you banking and customer. Bank is an artificial legal person, my friends. Bank is an artificial legal person created by me, the natural person. Right? In accounts, you know, there are 2 types of personal account. One is natural personal account, another one is an artificial legal person account. An artificial legal person account is account which is created by natural persons. Are you getting me? Try to understand this, an artificial legal person. So bank is an artificial legal person. Bank cannot move one place to another place. Bank cannot recognize the problem of a customer. So in bank you require employees, bankers. You require bankers. bankers are natural person. If I work with the bank, I call banker because I am providing banking service to my customer. Try to understand, I am a banker. Living person is a banker. I have hand, I have leg, I have entire body organ. I can think, I can evaluate, I can recognize, I can move one place to another place. Okay, I can talk with the people, I try to understand their problems. If any customer coming to my bank and asking me the loan, I ask some question to him or her and try to collect the entire information. I provide either secured or unsecured loan. Secured loan, security loan. Unsecured loan without collateral, without security, right? There are different types of loan, technical screening, so many things will come under this. So try to understand this bank. So bank is financial institution which accept the deposit from its customer and lend the same deposit to the needy customers. One side accepting the deposit and giving interest 7% approximately, another side lending the same amount to other customers. Overall customers, other customers, I am generating 12%, 12 minus 7, 5% is a gain to the bank. This is what the bank earns. Try to understand. So bank, and here is human being called banker. Banker is a one who work under a bank. Banker is a person, one who work under a bank as a banker, employee of the organization. Okay, various position. Okay, account heads, loan section department. Okay, account opening department. CASA. CASA means what? What do you mean by CASA? CASA, C-A-S-A. CASA means current account, savings bank account. Where some people say, where are you working? I am working in the bank. What's your position? So what are you working for? I am working for CASA. CASA means what? Current account and savings bank account. His or her task is to open current account, savings bank account. He says CASA. CASA means current account, saving bank account. So here CASA is also very important in banking. Initially you go to bank, you have to work under CASA. Opening of savings bank account and opening of current account. Savings bank account is for persons and individuals like me. I have my Ejaz Khan account. Ejaz Khan is the name of a person. I can open my savings bank account. I cannot open my company's account. Yeah, no doubt. I can open my company's account. EK Firm's account. EK Firm's account is my firm, but I am the owner. I am the owner. Entire document of mine I should produce to the banker so that my EK Firm's account can be opened. For example, you have sole trading concern, you have partnership firm, you have private company, you have company, you have Indian company, you have some foreigner tie-ups, you have some other institutions. You cannot open your savings bank account, my friends. You can open current account, business account, where you will not get any interest of your parking of money with the banker. Try to understand, this is also very important. So these are the services provided by the bank. Banking means through banker you will get these many services. Bank is one of the service sector. Bank is one of the service sector, my friends, and contributing very large contribution towards the development of the nation. Gross domestic product. Without banking, it is merely this one, consuming huge work and stuck in the transaction. Delaying the transaction leads to decrease the GDP and standard of living of the people in the country. Try to understand. Banker and customer. See, I said in the last class also, to become a customer of a bank is not easy task. You cannot go to a particular bank and ask, I want to be a customer. Suddenly, within a fraction of seconds, you cannot become. You may become a customer of some XYZ company's product brand. You go and ask pizza. You buy pizza, you become a customer. You buy pizza. You go to any perishable market. You go and you buy a vegetable. So you became a customer of that particular vegetable seller. Vendor. Are you getting me? This is what, try to understand. Customer, to become a bank customer is not an easy task, my friends. You have to go through certain procedure of a bank. See, the procedure differ banker to banker. Earlier it was offline procedure, now it is online procedure. You have to go through their websites and their dialog box. All dialog box must be filled accordingly, and at the end you have to take the printouts and attach the documentation, whatever you mark there. At the end you have to go physically there, present with the banker, interact, interview will be there. okay, you have to interact with the banker. Finally, your account will be opened within 24 hours. Okay, likewise, you'll be given one kit with checkbook, without checkbook. Okay, if you want checkbook, you have to demand a checkbook. If you want slip book, you have to demand a slip book. If you want any other sort of passbook will be given without demand, because passbook is a one book where you can easily understand your transaction, debit and credit transaction. I tell you, I'll explain you what is passbook, what is checkbook, types of check, and okay, my upcoming lectures, it is totally all this one all about services provided by the bank. Don't worry, this is just highlight. Banking. So bank, you know what is bank now? Bank is a financial institution which accepts this one deposit from its customer and lend those deposits to their customers and earn interest. And likewise, many services provided by the bank. You can write the example. Don't write this whole example. You write just 4 examples. Bank provides secured loan, unsecured loan. Otherwise, bank issue cards. Otherwise, you write bank issue the checkbook. Okay, whatever. You just write 2-3 examples so that you this one get full out of full. Okay, 2 out of 2 marks, okay, 5 out of 5 marks, 10 out of 10 marks, whatever the question belongs to the marks, fine. This is what the banker, banking, customer also I said. So this is done, banker is done, banking is done, then customer also, to become a bank customer, the customer has to go through the procedure. See, there is a bank called Vijaya Bank. It doesn't mean that I have my bank account in Vijaya Bank. I am not a customer of Vijaya Bank, but I am a customer of one of the bank. But I am not a customer of Vijaya Bank. I am a customer of SBI, State Bank of India. I am a customer of Central Bank. See, as an individual citizen of India, I am having my bank account according to my own choice. I go with the nationalized bank. It's my wish. It's my wish. There are nationalized banks. There are private banks. There are public banks. There are regional or rural banks. The objectives of bank differ bank to bank. IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India, Industrial Development Bank, their focus is to develop industrial sector, right? Likewise, other this one banks are there and their unique objective and they're working accordingly. This is all about banking and its customer. If you have any doubt, any query, friends, please feel free to comment in the comment section. I'll read your comments and I'll respond to your comment. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.